This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Elizabeth Hicks. Step into luxury living in the heart of Palmer Ranch within the highly desirable Turtle Rock community. This bright and spacious home offers an open floor plan filled with natural light, a large kitchen perfect for entertaining, a private pool for relaxing evenings, and a 2-car garage. Residents enjoy top-rated Sarasota County schools and resort-style amenities including a community pool, tennis courts, basketball, scenic walking and biking trails, and breathtaking sunsets. Available December 1st, tours available now. Rent is $4,295 per month with move-in costs totaling $12,590, which includes first month, last month, and a $4,000 security deposit. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, luxury, and location in one of Sarasota's most sought-after neighborhoods. For more information,